Hello kids, this is your teacher Neri. And guess what? It is our writing time! Do you want to practice writing with me?
Yeah!
If you do, teacher Neri will be proud of you. So, grab your pencil and paper now and let's begin. Hello kids, this is your teacher Neri. And today, we are going to write again the letters of the alphabet. Before we will proceed to the next letter, we will try to review first the letter that we studied last time. The letter that we studied last time is this letter. Do you still remember what letter is this? This letter is the letter B, the letter B. So the sound of the letter B is B. B. We will write the big B like this. B, B. And the small b will be written like this. B, B. Our next letter is this letter. Do you know what letter is this? This letter is the letter
C!
Yes, you got it right. It's the letter C. The letter C. Okay, the letter C. Very good. Before we are going to practice writing this letter, let us first know what is the sound of the letter C. So the sound of the letter C is Again, what is the sound of the letter C? So, as usual, before we will begin writing it, we will sing the letter C song. Will you sing along with me?
Yeah!
Okay, great. Sing along with me. In 3, 2, very much, kids, for singing along with me. Now we are ready to begin to write the letter C. First, we are going to write the big capital or Mama C in the air. So, raise your hand. In writing a big or capital C, we are going to draw a curved line in a counterclockwise direction. Remember, leave enough space for the opening. Let us write some more. Curved line to the left. Another one. Curved line to the left. One more. Curved line to the left. Good job! Now let us write the small c. Both capital and small c have same stroke. The only difference is that the small c is, of course, smaller. Let's begin. Curved line to the left. Let us practice some more. Curved line to the left. Again, curved line to the left. Another one. Curved line to the left. You did it, kids! Now it's time to practice writing both capital or big and the small c on paper. Are you ready?
Yeah!
If you are ready, Teacher Neri is also ready. Come on, let's start writing. Remember that the big or capital C starts from the top blue line going down to the blue line at the bottom. The small c starts from the red line to the blue line at the bottom. Let us start. Big or capital C from blue line up to blue line. Small c, red to blue line. Let us practice again. For capital C, curved line from blue line up to the blue line. For small c, red to blue line. Guess what? We are now in our last set. I am so proud of you that you made it this far. Curved line to the left from top blue line to the bottom blue line. Curved line to the left from red line to the blue line. At last, the last pair of letters C. Curved line to the left from blue line up to blue line. Curved line to the left from red line up to blue line. Congratulations! We are done writing the letter C! Kids, always practice and practice. You can do it!
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments down below. Once again, this is Teacher Neri, and see you on my next video. Bye-bye!